R.D. Sharma, class 8th mathematics, in that chapter number 18, practical geometry construction. Now how to construct, we will see that with an exercise only, that is exercise 18.1. Question number 1. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equal to 4.4 cm, BC equal to 4 cm, CD equal to 6.4 cm, DA equal to 3.8 cm and BD equal to 6.6 cm. We have given all the sides and one is diagonals. So we have to draw the quadrilateral, that is ABCD. Two diagonals we had given and we had given the side. One diagonal and four sides we had given. Okay, so let us draw that. First of all, we'll draw a side, a rough diagram, that is quadrilateral ABCD. So this is your quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so first one, AB is 4.4, BC is 4 cm, CD is 6.4 and DA is 6.8 and BD, one diagonal is given, that is 6.6 cm. Okay, so first we will draw the diagonals with a scale. So take the measurement 6.4 cm on scale and draw the line segment, that is BD 6.6. In the middle you have to draw. So 6.6. Okay, till 6.6 we have to draw. So this is BD. Name the line segment and write how many centimeter, that is 6.6. Now with the rounder, take AB as 4.4 cm. So take AB as 4.4 cm. Okay, now from B, take a point from B and draw the arc opposite of the diagonal. Okay, first we had drawn AB, so we have to take AB. Now from D we have to take AD, means this side we had taken and this side we have to take, that is AD or DA. So DA is 3.8. So take the measurement of line segment 3.8. Okay, and draw from the point D and intersect this arc. We have to intersect this arc. So again you have to take AB as 4.4 cm to extend the line. So 4.4 cm. Okay, then joint AB, give this point A. Joint AB and join AD. Okay, so this AB is 4.4 cm and AD is 3.8 cm. Now we had done this triangle first. Now lower triangle we will do, that is first BC is 4 cm. So take BC as 4 cm and draw from B. Okay, and draw arc over lower side. Another one, take DC as 6.4 cm. So we will take 6.4 cm as DC. Then intersect this arc. Now join this C, BC and DC. Okay, so this is 6.4 cm and BC is 4 cm. That's enough. Now we have to write step of Construction. Step of construction, that is first step, draw BD 6.6 centimeter. Draw BD we had done. Then with B as center, BC equal to 4 centimeter. With B as center, we have to draw BC as 4 centimeter. Draw an arc. So we had drawn arc. With D as center, radius 6.4 centimeter. Draw an arc to intersect the arc drawn in second step at C. So another we have to intersect here only. So that is C. Then with B as center and radius 4.4 centimeter, draw an arc on the side of BD opposite to that of the C. So here we have to draw B as center, draw an arc. Then another D as center, draw another arc. Then join BA, DA, BC and CD. We have to join all these lines. So the quadrilateral ABC, so obtain is required the quadrilateral. So obtain quadrilateral is ABCD. Okay, now let us do the second one, that is question number 2. Construct a quadrilateral ABC such that AB equal to BC equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD equal to 4 centimeter, AD equal to 6.3 centimeter and AC equal to 9.4 centimeter. Measure BD. Now we had given 4 side and 1 diagonal. So first we will draw the diagonal. First we will draw AC 9.4 centimeter. So that is here 9.4 centimeter. AC. Okay, that is 9.4 centimeter. First we had drawn AC, that is 9.4 centimeter. Now we will draw AB 5.5 centimeter. So let's take the measurement on rounder. 5.5 centimeter, that is this much, and draw an arc opposite. Okay, 5.5 centimeter. Now we have to draw AB we had drawn. Now we will draw ABC, that is also 5.5 centimeter. So draw it here only. So 5.5 centimeter. Intersect, name is as B. Here it is B. Now join AB and BC. So that is 5.5 and this is also 5.5. Now we will draw CD, that is 4 centimeter. CD is 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter we have to draw. So here it will come here. And ADA is 6.3 centimeter. So 6.3 centimeter. So from A we have to draw 6.3 centimeter. They are intersecting, right? Take as 4 and draw the arc. Now name as D and join C, D and AD. Okay, so this is 4 centimeter and AD is 6.3 centimeter. Completed. What we have to do, we have to find BD. So we will join this BD. Here we have to join BD. For finding, join BD. We can measure with the scale the measurement of BD, or we can take a measurement on rounder BD and see in the scale, that is 5.1. So BD is 5.1 centimeter. Okay, now let us write the step. These are the steps of construction. At last, what we have to write, that is step 7. Join BD, then measure and measure with scale. So therefore BD equal to 5.1 centimeter. Okay, so at last what we have to write, thus the quadrilateral A B C D. So obtain. Construct a parallelogram PQRS such that PQ equal to 5.2 cm, PR equal to 6.8 cm and QS equal to 8.2 cm. Now here we have to draw a parallelogram. We had given sides and one diagonal, two sides and one diagonal. Now in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So let us first draw the rough diagram. Now what we had given that is parallelogram, right? So like this parallelogram we will draw. One we had given side PQR as parallelogram. Side PQ is 5.2, PR is PR is diagonal, that is 6.8, and QS this also diagonal, that is 8.2. Question number 5. Construct a rhombus with the side 6 cm and one diagonal 8 cm. Measure the other diagonals. So first we will take the diagonal of 8 cm, and in rhombus all sides are equal, so sides will 6 cm, all sides is 6 cm. So let us draw the construct rhombus. In question 5, first diagonal we have to take 8 cm. Okay, so 8 cm, that is diagonal 8 cm. Let us give name AB 8 cm. Now side we have to draw, that is 6 cm. In rhombus all sides are equal, so all sides we have to take 6 cm. Okay, so on rounder I am taking 6 cm measurement from 0 to 6. Now keep it on A and draw the arc. Another one, keep rounder on B and draw the arc. And another, again we have to give name, but first of all we'll take this name as C. Okay, give this name as C and join it AC and AB. Again we have to draw the same measurement, that is 6 cm. Keep the pointer on A and draw the arc. Keep the pointer on B and draw the another arc intersect first arc. So we will join this. So give this name D. Now join this AD and AB. Rhombus form, all the sides are equal and diagonal is 8 cm. Now here we had done one diagonal, so we have to measure another diagonal also. So what we have to do, just join C and B. So C and D. So join C and D. Okay, we will join it. Now measure C and D, that is 8.9. Okay, so if we measure this C and D, the another diagonal C and D is 8.9 cm. This we have to find, and the step of construction is, these are the steps. Draw AB equal to 8 cm with A as a center, radius 6 cm. Draw on both the side arc. We will take 6 cm and will draw both the side arc. Now we B as center and radius 6 cm. Draw arc and both the side. So draw arc on both the side from B. Join AC, CB, BD and AD. So we have to join. Then join C and D. Then we have to measure it, which is 8.9 cm. Okay, thus the required ACBD is the required rhombus. Let us see the question number 6. Construct a kite ABCD in which AB equal to 4 cm, BC equal to 4.9 cm and AC equal to 7.2 cm. Now whichever we had given, we will write and we will draw the rough diagram. Now here we have to construct the kite. Okay, so kite in this shape. which is A, B, C, D. Which one we had given? AB is 4, BC is 4.9 and AC means this diagonal is 7.2. Now in kites, these two sides are same. So if this is AB is 4, so this is also 4 and BC is 4.9, so CD is also 4.9. Now we have the sides and one diagonal, so we can construct it. Let us draw first diagonal, that is AC 7.2 with the scale. So we will draw AC 7.2 with scale. Okay, 7.2. Here it is AC 7.2 centimeter. Now we will draw the diagonals, which is the side which is AB and AD. So let us take a measurement on scale, that is 4 centimeter. Okay, 4 centimeter like this way, and keep it on A and draw the arc upper side and one on lower side. Okay, so we had drawn one arc. Now another one we have to draw 4.9. So it is BC first and CD, that is 4.9. So let us take 4.9 on scale and draw arc. AC 4.9, it should be intersect in this arc, first arc. Okay, so I am just intersecting this. Now connect this. This is A, this is B, C, and this one is D. First connect AB, then AD, then BC, then we will connect BC and DC. Okay. Let us write, this is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4.9 centimeter, and this is also 4.9 centimeter. Construct kite, right? Now let us write the steps. Here are the steps. First, draw AC, which is 7.2 with A as center and radius 4 cm. Draw arc on both the sides. This one arc. Then with C as center and radius 4 cm. Draw arc on both the sides. C as center. So upper and lower arc. Then last, join AB, AD, BC and DC. So this AB join AD, BC and CD. Thus the required kite obtain A, B, C, D.